Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to you guys. If this is the first time I was stopping by here in this 2021, Happy New Year and God bless you all. So this video I'm going to be showing you how to make okra soup without oil, or can we say oilless okra. If ever I had a video. Alright guys, these are the ingredients. I'm going to be using fish, mainly seafood, just fish and shrimps on this recipe. Is very simple. So here is my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to be using dry pepper as well. Onion, one big bell pepper, red bell peppers, all clean. So I'm going to add them into the pot, into the pot, okay? So after adding that, I'm going to add a little bit of water in there, but that will come later. This is spinach. And this is the shrimps I'm going to be using, and this is the frozen okra. I wanted fresh okra, but I didn't have. Okay, so we're going to manage the frozen okra. So I'm adding water. If you're using frozen okra, please don't add too much water. All right, I made that mistake. So after that, I'm going to add 1 cube. Use any cube of your choice and add to your taste. After adding that, I'm going to add some salt in there. Put the lid on and allow that to cook, like to bring them to boil before taking off the peppers. All right, for the spinach, I'm going to be adding hot water on it. Just, melt them immediately and take them out of the water. Even if the spinach are not frozen, I still have to add a little hot water in them. Just stir them and take them out. I don't know, but I love the texture or the flavor or the taste it gives, or the way I don't know how to explain, but I just love doing it that way. So as you can see, the fish and the vegetables are boiling. So right now I'm going to take off the pepper, bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, onion that I added earlier, and blend them to cream. So I didn't blend that with any water, okay, because they are already soft. So I'm going to add it back to the pot and allow them to boil before taking off the fish, okay. I'm not using dry fish, but you can use dry fish like smoked fish as well. You can use any protein of your choice. You can actually use meat, okay, but I didn't want to use meat on this. So this is the frozen okra. Like I said earlier, frozen okra, I'm not a fan of frozen okra, like buying frozen okra, but I needed to make this soup because I haven't had swallow for a long time. So I'm going to blend them because the okra was cut in chunk and I don't want to cook them like that. So I'm done blending them. Now I'm going to transfer them into a bowl and set that aside. Alright guys, as you can see, the soup are cooking. Now I'm going to stir them and taste for seasoning if they are enough or not. So after that, I'm going to be adding just a pinch of pepper in there. I'm also going to be adding some salt. You can add extra cube in it, okay, but I didn't add. All right, but you can always add extra cubes instead of salt, okay. So after that, I'm going to take off the fish before adding the okra. Okay, now I'm going to add the shrimps. I didn't add them earlier because I didn't want to overcook them. Okay, so now I'm going to bring that soup to boil before adding the okra. All right guys, now I'm adding the okra. All right, I'm going to stir them, but I'm going to change the cooking spoon because I don't really like using that one to cook. I love using the wooden spoon to cook. So I'm going to quickly stir everything and allow them to cook uncovered for 5 minutes, but you can also cover yours, is just choice. All right, I'm going to bring them to boil before adding the what is it called, spinach, because okra you don't need to overcook, but you can always overcook your okra if that is your choice. Okay, so after stirring, I'm going to add the fish back into the pot because I want the fish to get all the flavors. Okay, so now I'm going to allow them to boil for 5 minutes before adding the spinach, because after the spinach we are done cooking. All right guys, now it's time to add the spinach. After adding the spinach, I'm going to give them a quick stir. I'm cooking on a medium low heat. You can use high heat if you want, but I love cooking on a low heat. So now I'm going to quickly stir everything, and voila, our soup is ready guys. There is no oil here, less calories, you know, it's very delicious. Okay, even if you're on a weight loss journey, you can use this soup. All right, so I hope you enjoy watching this video. It tasted so delicious. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one. God bless. Bye.